Hello guys, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video I'm just going to tell you that sometime your car remote key is not working. You press the button but it doesn't work. I'm not gonna press it, but in your case could be when you press it you get the small red light on it. That's also indicates you that your remote battery is need to be changing. I'm just gonna tell you how you can change it. This is for Volkswagen, but most of the keys look like this, so you can easily change on it. I'm not gonna press any button just because my car is just parked near to me, so and I'm making a video, so I'm not gonna press it. So what happened when you press the button, it doesn't respond to the car. So what you will have to do, I'm just gonna tell you, on the side of the key you will see there is a groove here. So you just need a small screwdriver and put that into the groove and try to rotate it like this in the clockwise direction like this. So when you push the screwdriver in and just press it, you will see it will start coming up. So I'm just gonna try it from this side as well. It will take some time, but be honest, don't just push it, it will come very easy. If you are just here, I'm just gonna try with the hands now. Yeah, if you see, it comes off. Now you can see this is your car key case and this is your remote actually. So in the remote case, if you see on the side of the remote there is also a groove. So you just have to use your screwdriver again and press into the groove. I'm just gonna try from this side. So yeah, you can see it start coming off. So yeah, it's getting open now. So that's all. So as you can see, there is this is your chip for the car responding thing, and this is your cell. So this is your battery basically. So the main thing, which is if you want to change the battery on it, you just take this battery out with the screwdriver and change it with the, sometimes the battery is like there is a specific code on it. So I'm just gonna I have showed you how you can use it, so I'm just gonna put this back. It's the same thing, there is a locking on it. So this is my another part of the key. I'm just gonna press it and you'll see the clicks sound. So that's mean it's fine now. I'm just gonna press it and see if it's still working. Look, can you see the light on it? So that's mean it's working. So the battery, I'm just gonna tell you about the batteries. So there is a different types of batteries on the different cores of it. So this is CR2025. So this is basically, some cars have 2032 or some cars have 2025. By my Volkswagen car have the, it's a 2007 reg. So this is 2032. I'm not going to use this one just because it will not last longer. So I would say, like, you first check your key